It's chicken feeding time. Chicken feeding time. Come on, babies. Forward march. Come on. Walk. This is their food thing. You will see because they will immediately start, hey, off of it. They'll climb on it and they'll stick their heads in it. Nope, come on. Food dish. Come on, babies. Now to see if they sneeze. There's one. That was a sneeze. That was some sneezes. There they go. Especially the gray one, that's Tori. She's the one who's sneezing the most, it seems. What's happening right now? Oh, there, bless you. What's happening right now is that the babies, these little ones down here, are trying to eat, but the four big ones are trying to kick them out. And the babies keep getting scared. I was hoping they would all sneeze at once again, because that was hilarious. But no, it looks like it's mostly Tori today. So I'll feed the babies separately and see what happens, because the babies... Oh. Yes, baby chicken, stop complaining. I'm getting to you. Come on. Oops, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to step on your foot. Over here, ladies. Whoa! Go away, boo. This is the baby's food. Bossy chickens. The babies want to eat. Two of the big ones come out here. There we go. Boo left. She's the mean one. The white one is Mrs. Hudson. The black one is Sydney. There's Lacey, the golden one. There's Truffle, the light gray one. That is Colin. She's one of the big chickens, the darker gray one. And then the black and white one is Giraffe. Just because. Names. Stop fighting. Be good to each other. And lay eggs. Well, I think that video's gone on long enough.